Tapos na natin, no? So, yung pagka-space niya pala ay, nung sinukat ko, ay enough na. So, hindi ko na pala kailangan maglagay ng stopper dito pag nilusot. So, yung lalim niya, kanina sinukat ko, ng ganyan. So, parang mga 2 inches yung space niya, yung gap. Itong pangalawang timba natin. Siguro yung 2 inches na yun, medyo maraming cacao liquid na yung makukuha natin doon. Baka hindi na. Sana, testing pa natin kung yung liquid na yun enough ba yung space nito para hindi na dumikit dun sa beans yung liquid. Nakuha ko nga pala tong box na to, atong timba na to, sa mga bakery. Kung makikita nyo, food grade ang ating timba kasi lalagyan niya ng margarine. So sa mga bakery na bibili yan, pagka ang kuha ko dito sa aming area ay 50 pesos ang isa. So medyo marami akong biniling ganito. Medyo mahirap nga lang hugasan kasi dahil margarine ang laman niya, mamantika. Ang technique doon, mainit na tubig na may sabon. Yun, talagang tanggal yung sebo niya. Ganun ang ginawa ko, madaling maglinis pagka may mainit na tubig at sabon. Ito, so may dalawa tayong testing na mas malaki yung ang ating box. Pinalaki natin yung ganitong version natin, no? So ito na siya. So dalawa. Natin juice sa isang batch ng timba.
This is how you make chocolate. Can they hear you?
Yep. Oy, don't talk kasi I'm doing some vlog.
Okay. Seriously, more?
I know how to...
More?
Ooh.
Seriously?
More.
Why more? It's very sticky.
I want to make more chocolate. The more the merrier. Well, the more the better. Oh, don't put your face there.
I want to say hi.
Kasi I'm making video so the people know what I'm doing. I'm sharing some technique how to make chocolate. So we will mix this para maging...
Are they all in glacera?
Yeah, people in every world.
Oh, flower! Ito din!
Mhm.
Isang grasshoppers!
Don't kill it. They are beneficial insects.
They are very friendly,
Yes, they can.
but it scares me too.
Sometimes they fight pests.
Like this?
In the farm, they are very friendly.
In the farm, they are very friendly. I saw two.
Don't move it.
I want to move it.
After mixing, balik na natin ito.
Tita Jack, are you gonna post those and then they're gonna see my face when I watch those?
Yes.
I'm just gonna see my face.
But
Hello, me. Like that.
make sure don't put your
And
face
I will go tell you.
all of the time.
Tita Jack, let's make it.
Mhm.
Chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate.
That.
Mm.
We will make this into vinegar.
Vinegar?
Yeah,
What's
you know vinegar?
No.
Suka.
Soup. Ew. Like vomit?
Suka, not vomit. It's vinegar. In Tagalog, suka.
I don't know. You mean like asukal?
Suka, it's susawan. Susawan, may
Asukal? Tita Jess, there's some little bones. Hello.
so heavy.
The Jack. Did you carry that tire?
We will put the tire after we...
Let's bring this one.
Oh, yung takat pala niya.
Can I move the camera?
No.
Why can Tita Tina only?
Because you know how to use the camera.
But I want to do it too.
Oh, stop mo na.
Can I pause?
Yes, here.